Hey guys, this is Scarforce95 here reviewing a Qi wireless charger here. This is by DesertWest. If you've been following my channel, I had actually previously reviewed another wireless charging pad here. I really love this one because it is very premium looking, really premium feeling, has a nice balanced weight to it. It's got this nice rim at the top and bottom for good grip on your device and also on the surface that you place it on. While this does have that same kind of rubbery grip ring for the surface part, it doesn't really have a grip on the top except for this tiny little logo area, which is actually the rubber grip. So what happens is when you put on your device, it does charge it, but then you're actually able to spin your device like this, and that's kind of the way it holds it in place. It's a little bit more unique, so it doesn't really sit flat. So it's kind of preference. I mean, this way you can actually kind of move your device around a little bit if you wanted to, I don't know, do something on it. I don't know, I personally would have rather had this more stable kind of feel of using this one. But I mean, I guess that's a little bit more preference. But anyways, more with the design, you can tell when it's actually emitting a charge because it has a little illuminating LED right underneath the little baseboard right here. It's a nice soft glowing blue, so it's not kind of in your face. If you were to say charge this up kind of a little bit darker times, you know, you probably want to plop down your phone to charge it at night while you're sleeping or something like that. Now, one thing I did notice, compared from this one to the one I had reviewed previously, is that, for example, when I am not charging something, it not only turns it off, but also when I'm not charging something that is not able to be charged, it doesn't turn on either. If you saw my previous video, that was kind of a problem with the other one because it pretty much, when it detected some kind of metal in it, it would try to charge it even though it cannot. So you can see this is my iPhone SE, which is not chargeable, and there's no emitting blue light. Now the funny thing is that I think it's just because of the fact that this is also a Qi charging technology, it detects that and it actually will turn on for this. It doesn't turn on steadily, so it can tell that it's not really something to be charged. So I do think that this is a little bit better designed electronically than the one I had previously reviewed here. But overall, I think this is really nice. The key thing with this one is that it actually comes with USB-C charging capability here, so you can pretty much use anything to charge this thing up. Right out of the box, it comes with this really nice USB-C cable. So it has a little Velcro to be a cable organizer, and for those of you who don't know, the great thing about USB Type-C is that it is symmetrical, so you can either plug it in this way or you can flip it around and plug it in this way, so there's really not any way you can mess up the port as you would for like a micro USB where it would only work if you plugged it in one way and not the other. So I do like that. This is a little bit more futuristic in that case, and the whole material design is kind of like an anodized aluminum, so it's really light, and because the cable is detachable, you can technically take this, store it in your bag, take it with you wherever you go. So it's definitely a nice little touch there. Same thing with the other one that I had previously reviewed, it's detachable like that. So I do really like this. I think it's a good design because it has a matte finish, it's not fingerprint prone, unlike the other one. I keep on comparing it to this one because it's just the first one that I ever reviewed as a Qi wireless charger. So it's lighter than this, but I think the only part that I don't like about it is, again, the fact that it is just kind of strange in the fact that it has only one little tiny grip at the top there. So that's all I have to really say about this. I think it's still a really nice charger. So it's just whether you want the US Type-C or whether you would have a more flat, firm surface to lay your device on is what I would be choosing between this one or the other one that I had previously reviewed. So both of these are great Qi wireless charging options. Really tiny little discs, no wider than about 4 inches. So there you go. Any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Scarforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Scarforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Scarforce95. Thanks for watching.